topic is multimeter. Multimeter. First of all, multimeter is a multimeter. Multimeter is a measuring instrument. It can be used to measure the multiple quantities, that is voltage, resistance, and current. Multimeters there are two types. First one, analog multimeter. Second one, digital multimeter. Analog multimeter has a pointer and scale, but digital multimeter has a 7-second display. It is used to analog multimeter is a three types of parts: reflection and controlling and damping. But digital multimeters have a 7-second display. Displays the zeros and ones values. Zeros and one values. This is practically show the analog multimeter and digital multimeter values in laboratory purpose. How to check this voltages levels, the AC voltage and batteries DC voltage